So I just got the FPVcrate QAV-S JB Edition frame and assembled it, and I noticed that the screws here are labeled completely incorrectly. So here is what I found out about it. I found that video that complained about it, so it's not a screw labeling problem, but it's the manual. What you have to use are the 4 and 3 by 16 screws to screw in the arms, and the 2 and 3 by 12 to screw in the little triangle thingies, instead of the M3 by 12 to screw in the arms and M3 by 10 screwing in the triangles. So basically you just could go up by 2. I guess that they originally included these screws, but then realized that longer screws were better for some reason. Then there's another mislabeling. You have to use the M3 by 6 to screw in the standoffs on the back. Then there are some M3 by 8 to screwing on the front, which is thicker. Then you can screw the top plate with the countersunk M3 by 6 and the 4 remaining M3 by 6s, which are not countersunk. And these 2 packets are left over. I guess that the M2 screws are for the VTX stuff. I don't know about the M3 by 8s, which are a bit nicer. I guess that you can use them to screw in the top if you don't want to use the M3 by 6, which are the other style, which strips more easily. These are the more beefier sockets, and that's it basically. So there are no missing screws, they are just labeled incorrectly on the manual. So overall it's a pretty good frame. It's very stiff actually. I didn't expect it, as this bottom plate is quite thin, and I didn't see that there's 2 and the actually structural one is way thicker, so pleasant surprise, and I'll definitely use it for a build. There's the JB signature, but I don't know, for well, with shipping to the EU it's about 70 euros, so it's quite expensive. Maybe TBS Source 1 V3 might be a good choice for us Europeans, but well, I got this one now and it's still quite solid. Bye, I guess.